Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we successfully uploaded our video in our real-time database. If you see our database, for every user there is a video, and for video if you see this is the video list. Okay, so as you see, if you go here, we successfully created our page and successfully uploaded the file in our real-time database. Now in this video we are going to fetch that video from the video list, from this list. Okay, from this list we are going to fetch the video list and we are going to display in our application. In the last video, as you see in the video controller, we uploaded our video in this structure, right? This is our database structure for the video. Now we need to create one model for these data, so that when we fetch the data from the Firebase, using that model we can fetch the data simply. Okay, so the model will keep our work so easy that we can simply fetch the data using that model only in our UI. Okay, now let's create the model first. Let's just do one thing, create one directory here, models, and suppose I give the name as global video model. Okay, now create one class for this global video model. So here first thing we need one string. I hope this is visible now. Okay, string, first one is the video ID. We need one video ID. Okay, if you are talking about a video ID, then in our video controller I think we should initialize our video ID too, right? So that it will not gonna conflict in future. So let's just do one thing in here, string video ID and video controller. Here we need to pass this video ID. Okay, yeah, that's it. You need to initialize video. This video ID is basically the videos that we uploaded in our database. Okay, now here, yeah, one is video ID, and okay, anyway, second one is title, description, URL. This thing we need. Okay, title, description, video URL, now factory constructor to create an instance from the JSON or the Firebase map. This is basically for create an instance from JSON. Here in the JSON format is from the Firebase. Okay, so that's why we need Okay, now title, this is session and that will be title. Okay, like this we need to initialize the each and every here description video URL, like this we need to initialize here. Okay, now this will be title, now this will be description, description will be description, here video URL, that will be video URL. Just let me check one thing. Yeah, video URL, thumbnail URL, thumbnail URL, thumbnail URL, uploaded by, so here uploaded by, then inside uploaded by there is UID, right? So uploaded by UID, here uploaded by name, here uploaded by profile, and the last is timestamp, right? So uploaded by, here it will be user name, uploaded by, here it will be, just let me copy from my controller. Okay, yeah, profile URL, and the last will be timestamp, correct? The last will be timestamp. Yeah, I think that's it. This is our global video model. Okay, now in the main page, we need to initialize our global video model. Here it will be list. If you see, it will be list global video list, and it will be just import. Okay, now here here we are going to use the circular loader to until the data is loaded. We need to show one circular loader. After circular loader ends, when the data is loaded, if the list is empty, if the video list is empty, then we are going to display there is no video available. If the list is not empty, then we are simply going to display our content or the data from our Firebase. Okay, so for that we are going to check is loading. By default it will be false, by default it will be true. Now here we need to initialize the state. Here we are going to fetch video from database. Okay, now here in the fetch video database method, it will be a future method. As you already know, it will be void because it isn't going to return anything. Copy and paste it here, and it will be asynchronous function as usual. So database reference, we need to create one reference for the video. To get the video from the database, we need to create one reference. Using that reference only, we are going to fetch the data from our child means our video part. Okay, now on value dot listen, we need to change the video node. We need to listen to the video node, right? Video node, so it will be an event. Yeah, it will be an event. So here reference final will be data. Now event dot snapshot dot value, as it will be a map. So map will be dynamic, correct? For null exception, we are going to use the null exception here also. Now here are going to see if data is empty or not. Okay, if data equals to null, or data is empty, then we are going to set state and video list equals to empty list. Okay, is loading become false. Here loading will be false, correct? Else, global view model, loaded video, data dot for each we are going to iterate it. Okay, 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 sorry. Okay, now here if you see, using the reference we simply go to that child is the video. If you see here, this is the videos, this is the video child. Okay, now here we are listen to that node, that means they listen to the video nodes, and here we are going to check the map whether it is in the map structure or not. From that we check the data. If the data is empty, we simply return the empty video list, and the is loading become false. If there is data, then using the global model, here we created one loaded video array, empty array, and if the data is found, that in that empty array we are going to set our video list. Okay, simply that is a simple function of the fetch data from the Firebase. Now in the UI, in the body section, first of all we need to check is loading. Okay, if it is loading, then we are going to simply display one container. Okay, display one container. Now if video list is empty, then also we are going to display one container. Okay, now if data is there, then use inside and single scroll view child will be one container. Here we need to display our data. Okay, I will show you what is going on here. Just give us 1 minute. Just do one thing. I just simply finish the UI part here. After finishing the UI part, I will explain what is going on. Okay. Okay, as you see here, here in the body section, actually in the app bar, in this app bar I created the background color is black and foreground color is white, because in our body section whole page will be in black. Okay, basically we are following the dark theme, that's why. whole body will be dark. That's why we are going to add the app bar also in as black. Okay, now in the body section, if you see here, first of all, if there is loading, okay, if it is loading, then we simply display this is the ternary operation, right? Question mark, colon, question mark, colon. This is a ternary operation. Okay, understand what is going on. If it is loading, then we are simply showing the circular progress indicator here. As you see here, this is the circular progress indicator. That means that will be loaded if there is loading. If after loading the data, if the video list is empty, then we simply display no video available text here in the middle, in the center, here in the container in the center. Just like main, we simply display no video available if video list is empty. And video list means from this model, if we are not getting any kind of data from using that model from our database, using this fetch video from database method, then it will simply display no video available. Now again, if video is available, then inside that container, we are taking this as a container. Inside that container, we simply display one list view. Okay, inside that list view, for every index, because if you see here, this is one index and this is one index. This is 0 index, this is one index. Okay, so for every index, we created a variable. Inside that variable, variable is video, and inside that variable we store the index value here. Okay, so we simply need from that index only, we simply get the that index thumbnail URL, video URL, title, description we are getting from that only. Okay, so now this is the card design, this is the UI design, this is the card. That one card will be displayed here like this. So this is the card design where we first of all we show the thumbnail using that video variable. As you see here, using this video variable, we get the thumbnail, and here we get the profile image who uploaded the video we getting here. If you see, okay, app is loading now. Let's see whether we get the list or not. Okay, okay, yeah, it is open. Okay, as you see, this is the loader, right? After data loaded successfully, we are going, yeah, as you see here, video title is here, video description is here. Here it is the who uploaded the video, this is the profile image, and this is the thumbnail image, right? This is the thumbnail URL. Using that URL, this network URL simply convert the URL into an bitmap and display it here, right? This is the URL we getting here, this is the URL, and this is the video. Okay, so I think it is not, it is center aligned. Just do one thing, it should be in the text align should be in the text align is should be in the center. Okay, this hot reload it. Let's just check whether it is text align is left or not. Okay, sorry, left. Okay, just reload it to check whether it is working or not. Okay, now it is happened. So I simply alignment, cross and main axis alignment, I simply give it as a start. Okay, so that's why now it is looking good. Okay, so here using the video variable, you simply get the profile image, here simply get the title, and here simply get the description. Okay, this is the simple UI. Okay, so we simply get the video. Now in the next video we are going to see, when you click on the particular ID or particular index, we display one video details player where this video will be playing, and you can pause the video, you can play the video, and you can forward the video, and you can backward the video also. And we are going to display other things like video title, video description, and who uploaded the URL also, profile URL also. So that thing we are going to see in the next video. If you have anything to ask regarding this video or any other video, if you are not watching the previous two video of this video series, then go to that from the video link that I provided in the description. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.